Alright, afternoon guys, we're at the third location of the day. Nice plane graveyard, a military plane graveyard. So it is absolutely killer, I'll be honest. So yeah, this sort of patina rust, my sort of thing, right down to a T. So this is a permission visit as well. Lovely kind lady, just let us on and land. So yeah, we can take our time, enjoy it. Not be on our toes like we normally are, thinking who's going to come or whatever. I'll take you on a little explore. Gotta go under these planes. So you know I'm 6'4", so I'm not the smallest person to be stumbling around. So you can patina on it, it's incredible. A nice first aid hatch. That'll probably show you inside the plane. Now you can see a whole lot in there. Just put my arm in stingy nails as well, brilliant. As you can see, these are fantastic. Just take you on round to a few of the others. This is probably one of my favourites. I actually got some of these dinky toy models actually in the shop at the moment. So some of you know I'm vintage toy dealer. So these are pretty special. I'll just take you around the other side. Kurt's taking photos at the moment. That's alright, we'll stay out of his way. Just where do you see stuff like these days? Around these days, you just don't see it. Yeah, this is pretty cool. It's not made of a whole lot. Obviously, you gotta be fast, so that's how they were made. Just take you around to the front of this one. This one is pretty damn cool. So I've taken plenty of albums of these, photos of them, so I put in albums, tracked them to Flickr, so you can see them. But yeah guys, that's part of the plane graveyard. Hope you all enjoy, and I know I say at the end of every video, keep subscribing, because there's a hell of a lot more locations to come. Take care guys.